Are you being annoyed by the Cbscreatevc Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Quickly resolve Cbscreatevc library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Cbscreatevc library, part of the component-based servicing CBS stack. This library manages the unmanaged integration of Visual C++ runtime shims during OS updates or feature installations. It facilitates the creation of the virtualized environment required for side-by-side XXS assembly registration. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Since Cbscreatevc Library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Cbscreatevc library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Cbscreatevc Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Cbscreatevc library. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Cbscreatevc library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.